Hello everybody, so I'm here at Home Depot and they have a complete seed kit over here. This is easy for people that don't want to do a lot of planting, mixing of soil. Easy for you to do. So you can just do a complete seed kit and then you just put water in it, and within a couple of weeks everything is growing and you're good to go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hello everybody, so I'm here at Home Depot and they have this seed starting kit. It's a new seed starting kit from Tasc or Tasc or what's it called. So the kit comes with 6 packs or 6 seeds, and all you have to do is add water. So this kit is good for somebody that doesn't want to mix the soil or that doesn't want to worry about putting the seed, planting the seeds and doing all the other stuff for seed starting. It comes with everything that you need, and all you have to do is just add water. So let me show you. So each of them, they have different variety. I'm going to show you guys later on the different variety of vegetables and herbs that they have, but it comes with everything. It comes, as you can see here, it comes with a tray. It comes with a mix that's in there that the seeds are planted inside. It comes with a cover dome that provides a greenhouse effect for it. So all you have to do is put those peat-like or substance in the tray, add water, and you're good to go. And after that, all you have to do is put it in the windowsill or where there's a lot of sunlight, and within 6 weeks or 4 weeks you should be able to get some seedlings, and then you can transplant the seedlings once the roots appear on the outside of the pot. So let's go through some of the stuff that they have here for the seedlings that they have here. The variety that they have parsley, they have chive, they have garden sage, they have watermelon, and they have pumpkin, different variety of pumpkins. Down here they have pole beans, snap peas, butterhead lettuce, iceberg lettuce, cilantro, sweet basil, dill. They have cucumber, they have cilantro, they have cauliflower, they have 2 varieties of zucchinis right here, or 3 varieties of zucchinis. Down here they have sweet pepper, and the variety of sweet pepper, they have eggplants, if you love to plant eggplants, tomatoes, and different variety of tomatoes, as you can see down here. So they have cherry, they have yellow, and they have Roma, and they have different variety of tomatoes. So all you need to do is just add water and just maintain the water level in there, and the seeds will germinate and start growing. So this is somebody that is just wants easy peasy, just put the water and let the container or the kit does what it does. So and the 6-pack, it comes for 6 seeds, and the price is $9.98 here at Home Depot. So I'll check online, see if they have online that you can get it online. If I find it online, I'll put the link in the description. But here they have at Home Depot for $9.98. Like I said, they have different varieties here. I don't know if they have the same varieties everywhere, but that's what they have for variety here at Home Depot. So check your local areas if you're interested in something like this. But like I said, this is for somebody that doesn't want to get their hands dirty or doesn't want to mix seeds and do all the seed starting process by themselves. They just add water and they have their seedlings in 4 to 6 weeks. So that is what this is. So just check it out and see if it's something that interests you, if you don't want to do all the work. But I have some other videos that shows you how to start your seeds and various things that you can do in starting your seeds. It saves you a lot of money if you're starting your seeds. Instead of buying seeds, you can start your own seeds, and you can make your own seed starting mix and all those things. I'll put those links in the description below. But for somebody that's not planting a lot of items and just has intent to plant just a couple of variety of things and doesn't want to spend a lot of time doing the mixture and the seeds, they can just buy these and they'll be able to start their seeds and be able to get some seedlings ready for spring planting. Okay, let me know in the comments below if this is something that interests you, or if you've done this or you've tried this. let me know in the comments below. This is my first time seeing this particular type of seed starting kit, but let me know in the comments below if you've done something like this, or you intend to do something like this, or if you've tried it. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.